Hi everyone!
Hi. We are here today at
Blizzard Beach.
It is their 30th anniversary today, April 1st, and they are celebrating today and throughout the whole month of April. So we thought we'd come out on the very first day, the actual anniversary, and see what they have to offer for the celebration. And we have not been here in a very, very long time.
I don't know if I've ever been
I don't
here.
know if she's ever been here, and I was very young. So just like Universal, it does not count.
No.
So we're kind of experiencing it for the first time and celebrating the anniversary. So we wanted to take you along with us.
Let's see what they have to offer.
Let's go. So they've written in sidewalk chalk, Happy 30th Blizzard Beach when you walk in. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but it's there and it's very cute. So we have some photo ops as soon as you walk in.
Hold on, that was a video. Now I'm taking a picture.
All right, so right here at the front, you have a spot for Disney Resort Hotel guest towels. So if you're staying at a Disney resort, they do offer towels for you. Obviously, if you're not staying at a resort, then you have to bring your own towel. And it's right outside the main store, the Beach House. So let's go in and check out what the Beach House offers. Oh, it's a Blizzard Beach shirt with Olaf. That is so cute. That is a kid's shirt. It says, "I'm so hot, I'm cool." That's adorable. Here's some more Blizzard Beach merch. We have some adult shirts. And this is like this is like a Spirit jersey, but like a swim material. And this one is as well, Spirit jersey, swim material. Oh, and another one, Spirit jersey, swimsuit material, like a rash guard.
That's cute.
Yeah.
That's actually really cute.
The bag, that's also cute. Oh, here's a phone pouch for the water. That's cool. We have some pins here. Oh, there's a 30th anniversary Blizzard Beach pin. A Blizzard Beach pin, and then an Olaf Blizzard Beach pin. We have a straw hat and a cup with a straw.
Like a silicone cup.
Oh, it's silicone.
Yeah.
Oh yes, that's
See?
very cute.
I love silicone cups.
That's a cute cup.
That's literally adorable.
I love silicone.
Oh, they also sell some Typhoon Lagoon merch here. Interesting. So t-shirts. So it's all pretty much the same stuff, just Typhoon Lagoon. Spirit jersey, swim shirts, and tote bag, cup with straw, t-shirts. Typhoon Lagoon has Stitch. Very cute. We have some more generic Stitch merchandise over here. Here we have the wall where it looks like the Ice Gator crashed through the wall. He is or was the mascot for Blizzard Beach, Ice Gator. He's an alligator, Ice Gator. All right, we have a whole wall of beach towels. They do have Blizzard Beach towels and Typhoon Lagoon towel, along with just regular Disney beach towels. And the rest of the store just looks to have some general merchandise, some non-Disney branded things, water shoes, Crocs. Very cute theming. They do sell snacks. And here's a sandcastle kit for $10. That's not bad. And over here looks to be the women's section with lots of bathing suits and clothing. And then over here we have some kids items, bathing suits. This is one of the new Mickey summer items. It's a beach ball pillow. So cute. And here we have another sand toy set. This one is $20. It looks, yeah, it's collapsible. Still very cute.
Oh my god, this pillow.
It's part of the new like summer collection. That's pretty much the whole store here. All right, let's check out the rest of the park. Here we do have a couple little stands here. There's a little merchandise stand, a lost children stand. Over there is a cooling hut with drinks and snacks. And then over here are restrooms and dressing rooms so you can get changed. And then over here we have the locker area. And right next to the locker area is a refreshment stand. It's not open yet. And this looks to be a bar. So this is actually a bar. So we are coming back to the main area. Mickey and Minnie are supposed to come out around 11. And they are supposed to be in special attire, and I'm pretty sure Mickey and Minnie are not normally here. So this is a special 30th anniversary event. And the other anniversary events that they are having, we talked to a cast member, they are having a scavenger hunt where you have to go around and find snowflakes, and then you answer the trivia question on the back of each snowflake, and then you get a prize at the end. And they are also having a DJ and a dance party, I believe, at the kids area. So it's very fun here today, and we are loving it.
So this is Blizzard Beach 30th anniversary tattoos, temporary tattoos, only for today, April 1st. So they'll put them on for you wherever you want it.
Perfect. Awesome. Have a great day. Okay, are you ready? What one do you have? You see our birthday?
Leah, let me see.
Happy birthday to you. You get to go to.
So cute.
Hi, Mickey. She drew you, yeah.
Gosh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
Love the outfit, Mickey. You look very handsome.
Thank you. Yes, absolutely.
Thank you, Mickey.
Mama, go.
Thank you, Minnie. Minnie, you look beautiful. Thank you. Bye.
All right, so now we're gonna get some Arctic shaved ice.
So I'm gonna hit a locker.
So you get your shaved ice, and then over here you pick your own flavors. Leah, what flavor are you getting?
I want some candy.
Cotton candy? There you go. Liam, what are you getting?
Mango.
Cherry. Classic.
Tiger's blood.
Oh. Alright, try it. You like
Yeah,
it?
you need some more in there.
Yeah, load it up.
Look at all that ice.
You like it, Leah? What flavor did you get on top? What's the yellow? Lemon lime?
Got mango and cotton candy.
Mango and cotton candy. You got lemon lime too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so there is a Joffrey's mini donut stand here, and I have heard lots of good things about them, so we are going to give them a try. I believe you can get plain sugar or cinnamon sugar. What are we gonna get?
They also have dipping sauces.
Yeah.
Chocolate, raspberry, and white chocolate.
Yeah, they don't do anything for me.
No.
What flavor are we gonna get?
I think cinnamon.
Cinnamon? All right, we're gonna try the cinnamon. Here are the mini donuts. We just got a half a dozen, and then we got 3 cinnamon sugar and 3 just regular sugar. And they're freshly made. They're coming out of the oven pretty much right as you order them. So that was pretty cool.
It's hot. It's really hot.
Super hot, super fresh.
What's the height? What's
That's
the
what
height
I
of
said
these?
it's made. That's what that means.
They're not that great.
They don't have much flavor.
No. Oh, that stinks.
No.
Huh.
No, I don't like them.
Oh wow. All right.
No.
Donuts come out of the oven plain, and then like they kind of just dump sugar in the cup. I don't know. They're not getting very coated because it's just, she literally puts plain ones in the cup and then dumps the sugar on it. All right, so I'm gonna try the plain sugar ones. The donut's kind of like melting in my mouth as I chew it, like it's disintegrating in my mouth. Yeah, I don't get the hype, but they're not horrible. I just don't know that I would need to get them again. All right, we found a snowflake for the scavenger hunt. All right, what's it say on the back? She said there's gonna be...
Your favorite snowy from Texas Peak.
Draw your favorite snowgie from Tykes Peak. All the little baby snowmen up there on the sign. So let's go pick one and you draw it. So just draw a snowgie on there for it was number 4. So under number 4, draw a snowgie. All right, let's see your snowgie. There's the snowgie she drew. Very cool. All right, let's go check out Tykes Peak. So over in the Tykes Peak Kids area, they have a small beach with some cabanas. Lots of chairs over here. It's just like a waiting area. How's the water, Leah? Oh, it's a little cold. Oh, look at the little slide, Leah. Right here. Oh, look. There's Anna and Elsa. And the water spraying. That's cute. Here we have little Kristoff and Sven. They are so cute. And we have more little Snowgies and Olaf. And there are a couple slides. So cute. All right, they are gonna come down one of the sets of slides here.
I forgot to put my glasses off.
Leah, come on. Were you scared? All right, so they do rent patios here, and this is one of the patios that is available. This is what they look like. Looks like there's a little fridge back there. So that's an example of the patios that are available. All right, now they're all gonna come down. Ready, set, go! Oh, I think Leah's still a little nervous. All right, so how was that slide?
Amazing.
Amazing. Nervous at first. I legit screamed when I was going down it. It goes so fast. You don't expect it to be, but it was fun though. Fun? Yeah, that was fun. So the Tykes Peak slides, that's the only one that you can get on if you're above 48 inches. They do have smaller ones. They even have one with a tube, but that's under 48 inches only. So we couldn't do those, but we did that one, and that one was lots of fun, right? So there's all different tubes for the lazy river. And for the 30th anniversary, they do have some special animal character tubes. And I'm hoping, oh, here comes one. So the flamingo is a special tube for the 30th anniversary. And I saw other animals. I think I saw a parrot, and I'm not sure what else. But they have all different tubes. They have little ones, big ones. They have ones that are a seat. They have double tubes. All right, so there are two spots that have actual like food that you could get for lunch. This one is Avalanche, and then the other one was the Lotta Wada Lodge at the front. So Avalanche has hot dogs and mac and cheese, and then I believe the Lotta Wada Lodge had burgers and chicken fingers. So we found another snowflake, and the question on it is, what icy treat can you only get at Icy Expeditions? And Icy Expeditions is a truck right here, and this is home to the Sand Pail Sundae. So there you go, and we will be getting one of those later. So here, this is right next to Tykes Peak, and this is for a little bit older children and adults. And over there we have like an ice walk, and this is pretty much like a pool here. The water's much deeper. Right now I'm standing up to my like thighs. And then we have Tanya and Liam are going to be coming down a slide over here. All right, here they come. Up there you can see the chair lift, which takes you all the way to the top for the higher slides, including the Crush and Gusher. we will not be doing those. All right, so we have Tanya and Liam over there who are going to be trying this iceberg walk. All right, we have Tanya starting up over there. Or not. I guess Liam is gonna do it. Good job, Liam! Just wait it out. There you go. You did it! Yay! All right, so Tanya did not chicken out. She's just too big to do it. What was the height, Liam?
No, she's too old.
Oh, okay. So apparently it's not for adults, just for kids. So, wah wah. Oh, was that fun?
Sure.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Were you nervous? No. You wouldn't admit it anyway, would you? No. Guys, look at me. All right, so this is just like a pool area. Anyone can get in this area. The deepest is 3 foot 6 inches. All right, so we stopped and got lunch from Ava Lunch, and they are huge hot dogs. They're probably like the foot-long hot dogs. We got a plain hot dog, we got mac and cheese, we got Liam here with a chili cheese dog. How is it, Liam?
Good.
Super messy. And mac and cheese, and she added some bacon on top. And they're kids' meals. Well, the mac and cheese were the kids' meals, and they come with, we chose chips and a cookie and then a drink. How's the food, guys? Is it? Good mac and cheese is actually hard to find at Disney.
I'll make mac and cheese and a hot dog.
Mac and cheese and a hot dog. We're hungry, huh? Oh, this water's cold. This is like the wave pool, just swimming area here. It's so cold.
This is colder than the other one.
All right, so here is one of the slides, the racing slides. All right, they are going to get on the lazy river, which is called the Cross Country Creek. There's all different exit and entrance spots around the park for this. You don't want a double tube?
It's literally so cold.
Look at me going the wrong way. All right, I found another snowflake. This one says, what colors are the slopes of Mount Gushmore? And we have purple, red, and there's also a green slope. So purple, red, and green. So here's just some theming along the cross-country creek. And we have Ice Gator's hut. And every once in a while, it'll sound like he's sneezing in there and then water's coming out of the chimney. Oh, there it goes. So cute. And there they go. Hey guys! All right, so I'm standing on the bridge over by the Lottawada Lodge, and here they come. Looks like they've sort of ditched the tubes. Oh, no. So there's some more of the character tubes, the flamingos. I did see a rubber duck. There's some more of the character floats. You can see them going down there, the parrots and the duck and the flamingo. And here they come again. So here's a map of the park, just to give you an idea. These are all the attractions here. I'm gonna go slowly, but if you want to read everything, just pause the video.
Yes, please, yes, please.
You can see the lazy river goes all the way around the whole park. So it's very large. And here's a more in-depth food and beverage map. You're not gonna find like a full-blown restaurant here. It's pretty much just all like lunch, quick service type stuff. Not a huge selection. The park does close at 6 o'clock, so it's not really anything dinner. It's just all lunch, ice cream, snacks. All right, we got the Sand Pail Sundae from the IC Expedition truck, and we're all gonna dig in and give it a try. It's got so much different stuff in it. Chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream. It's got pieces of cake. It's got caramel and hot fudge and lots of stuff. And whipped cream.
Whipped cream's obviously first. Careful.
And this cute little Blizzard Beach Mickey and Minnie chocolate piece. So cute.
Where's like the caramel and stuff?
In there somewhere.
Oh, it's in the center. I'm just demolishing it at this point.
She ruined it.
Oh, there's
We're trying to find.
there's Oreo cookies.
Oh, nice. It's like a treasure.
I think this is a sticker.
This is so good.
The Oreos are good. I didn't get to the caramel yet though. Oh, there's graham cracker, or there's waffle cone pieces, like
Yes.
ice cream cone
Yeah,
pieces.
that was in there too, yeah. This is so good.
Mhm.
Definitely a shareable treat.
Oh my god, it's huge.
And then of course you get the souvenir bucket to take home.
It's so cute.
All right, that finishes up our day here at Blizzard Beach for their 30th anniversary. We had lots of fun.
It was fun.
Yeah, not too much for the 30th. Mickey, Minnie,
Tattoos.
tattoos. Yeah, Mickey and Minnie were today only.
Yeah.
But like the scavenger hunt, and I think the special tubes in the lazy river, they're for the whole month of April.
And they have 30th pins. Maybe they're for the whole month too.
Yeah, they had the 30th trading pins
Yeah.
in the store that you can buy. So we had fun.
Yeah.
I like.
There's not much that we do because we don't do the
Yeah.
crazy slides, but
Yeah, we
our
don't
favorite
do like.
our favorite was the lazy river.
Yeah,
definitely.
we don't do the big slides, or
Yeah.
just like we don't do the roller coasters. But yeah, the lazy river was the best part, and I like the kids area. I think
was
it's
cute.
So cute.
So we hope you enjoyed the video.
So please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more content.
As it snows.
And snowing.
And remember, there's magic in all of us.
Bye.